morning, class 12. This is chapter number 13, probability, and in this video we are going to solve question number 6 of exercise 13.1. Very important question. The question is, determine the conditional probability of event E given as the probability of F already occurred. A coin is tossed 3 times. A coin is tossed 3 times. So the question says the event E heads on third toss, and F heads on first 2 tosses. This is the first part. Now let us start. A coin is tossed 3 times. So as you have already studied in previous classes that when a coin is tossed 3 times, so we can apply the formula 2 raised to power n, where n is number of coins. So here first of all let us have how many total when a coin is tossed. So we'll write the sample space for it first. A coin is tossed 3 times. Therefore, the sample space for is, we can write it as a formula like this. We have total outcomes, that is 2 raised to power n formula, that is 2 raised to power 3 times 3. So that means we have 8. Total outcomes 8. Now for sample space we can write it as S. So like this you can write it as 2 raised power n means 8. What is the half of 8? That is 4. So we can write 4h and 4 tails. Now what is the half of 4? That is 2. So we can write 2 h's and then 2 tails. Again 2 h's, then 2 tails. What is the half of 2? That is 1. So we can write 1 h, 1 t, 1 head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. So this becomes the sample space, that is h, head. और अगर पहले कॉइन में टॉस करने से हेड आया, दूसरे में भी हेड आ सकता है, तीसरे में भी हेड आ सकता है, या फर्स्ट में हेड, दूसरे में भी हेड, तो तीसरे में टेल आ सकता है, या पहले में हेड, दूसरे में टेल, तीसरे में हेड, या पहले में हेड, बाकी दोनों में टेल. और यू कैन राइट पहले में टेल, बाकी दोनों में हेड, टेल, हेड, टेल, 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 हेड, और यू कैन से all the 3 will have tails. So these are the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total outcomes is 8. So this is a sample space for it. So now therefore we can write it as NS. What is NS? That is 8. Total is 8. Now let us start with the first part. The part number first is E. That is heads on third toss. हेड्स ऑन थर्ड टॉस. जब हम तीसरा कॉइन टॉस करेंगे तो हेड देखना किस किस में आता है. ये आपका आ गया हेड, लास्ट हेड, इधर नहीं है, इधर हेड है, इधर नहीं है, इधर हेड है, तो इधर भी नहीं है, जिस टेल, ये आपका तो 3-4 बार आ रहा है. थर्ड कॉइन में हेड, तीसरी बार हेड, हेड, हेड और हेड. तो दैट मीन्स हेड्स ऑन थर्ड टॉस. Heads on third toss. This is the first part we are going to solve. That is E. Heads on third toss. Third toss. That is, we can write it as E is equal to the sample space for it H or HTH or THH or TTH. So this is what we have. E heads on the third. So therefore number of events E is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Now we can write the first part. We have to determine EF, conditional probability of E given as F as occurred. So let us write as, what is F? So F is heads on first two tosses. Heads on first two tosses. So now we can have NE. Probability of E can be said as NE upon NS. So what is N of E? What is N of E? That is 4, and NS, that is 8. So 4 upon 8, it becomes 1 by 2. So F, what is the first part? F says heads on first two tosses. पहली दो टॉसेस में जब आपने किया था, पहली दो, तो उसमें हेड्स ऑन फर्स्ट टू टॉसेस, तो ये आपके फर्स्ट टू, जब दो आपने दो देखने हैं तो हेड, और किस जगह है? लगातार पहली दो में कहीं नहीं है। हेड है तो दूसरी में भी हेड होना चाहिए, लेकिन टेल है, हेड फिर टेल, या तो हेड होना चाहिए, हेड होना नहीं है, तो ओनली दो ही पॉसिबिलिटीज है, एक तो HHH और HHT. So we can write it as sample space like this. For F we have HHH and one more is HHT. तो दो ही आ गए, तो NF कितने हैं आपके पास? 2. So we can write NF is equal to 2. So for this, what is NF oblique NS? So probability of F, that is NS. So we have F2 S8, that is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. So now let us find first of all common between E and F. Common between E and F. E intersection F only HHH. So दोनों में आ गया आपके पास common, that is HHH. Okay. So now what we have to find is NE intersection part, that is F is only 1. So let us find PE intersection F is equal to N, that is E intersection F upon NS. So we can have 1 upon, that is equal to 8. 1 upon 8. You can write it as 1 upon 8 divided by, so 1 upon NS is equal to 8. So last that we have to find is, that is PF. So the formula for this is E intersection F upon P of F. So that will be equal to 1 upon 8 divided by, what is P of F? That is equal to 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 8 into 4 upon 1, that is equal to 2. So P upon, is 2 by 8. Sorry, 2 by 8 is 1 upon 4. That is equal to 1 by 2 is the required answer of first part.